Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom token in Atomic Wallet. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Atomic Wallet application, then this type of interface will appear in the screen once you have logged into your account. From the bottom menu bar, you can see More option. Click to More. Then you can see Add Token or Coin option. In Wallet and Security section, click on Add Token on or Coin, then click to Add by Contact. There, fill in the details of your contact or enter your contact address and click to Add Token. Then, you should be able to add custom token in Atomic Wallet. This is how you can add custom token in Atomic Wallet. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.